Alright, now let us have a look at few simple questions, few tricky questions that are being asked in previous examinations. It could be GATE, engineering services or any other PSU examinations. So, this questions discussion, the main objective is to show you how to deal with a question, and also you can check yourself where exactly am I standing or what is the way of approach that you should look at the question. Okay. So, first let us solve couple of questions from DC circuits. Let me start with one very simple question. The question goes something like this. Four resistors of equal value are connected in parallel across a constant voltage source. The current flowing through each resistor is, let us say, 25 amperes. If one of the resistor gets disconnected, then the current flowing through other three resistors are, right. So, let us see. So, whenever a question related to any circuit is given in the form of sentences, you please convert that sentences, I mean into a circuit. Okay. He is saying that four resistors of equal value. Okay. So, let me take four resistors, resistor 1, 2, 3 and 4. He is saying all of them are equal. So, let me call it as R, R, R and R across a constant voltage source. Right, V. Next, the current flowing through each resistor is 25 amperes. So, let us say this is 25, 25, 25, 25. Then obviously, what is the total current? 100 amperes. Now, if one of the resistor gets disconnected, then the currents flowing through other three resistors are. Now, unfortunately, what happened? One of the resistor got disconnected. Right. Now, one of the resistor got disconnected. Now, the current flowing through remaining three resistors are. What do you think? As soon as you look at this, then immediately I hope, right? I don't say that you will compulsorily think like this, but majority of them will think like this. Previously 100 divided into 4 parts, 25, 25, 25 and 25. Now, one of the resistor gets disconnected, then sir immediately this current divides into 3 parts, that is 100 by 3, 100 by 3, 100 by 3. So, that is 33.33, 33.33 and 33.33. If this is what you are thinking, that is absolutely wrong, right. Let us quickly see the answers. First of all, I can, if you are confused why it is not 100 by 3, then I will compare it with one live example. Imagine 4 fans are there in your house, in your hall, 4 fans are there of same company. Usually all these are connected in parallel. Now, 4 fans of same company are connected in parallel, of course, across a constant voltage source, because the source what you have is a constant voltage source. Now, the current flowing through, I switched on all the 4 fans, then obviously the current flowing through each fan is 25, 25, 25, 25. Therefore, what is the total current? 100 amperes. Now, I switched off one of the fan. Then, what do you think will be the current through 3 fans? Then, according to you, as per your previous thinking, the currents through remaining 3 fans must be 100 by 3, 100 by 3, 100 by 3, that is 33.33 each. In that case, either your fan should run with more speed or it should get burnt, because more than rated current is being flown. Is this what happening? Absolutely no. When you switch off one of the fan, will there be any change in the other 3 fan speeds? Absolutely no. Reason is, here when I can convince you in 2 ways. When one of the resistor gets disconnected, then you might say that sir, when one of the resistor gets disconnected, then obviously there is a change in the resistance. When there is a change in the resistance, then automatically there should be a change in the current. Yes, there will be a change in the current, but not the branch current, total current. Total current reduces to how much? 75 amperes. So, 25, 25 and 25. You remove one more, then the total current reduces to 50. 50 divides into 2 parts. You remove one more, 25, 25. So, why? Because what am I asking you? I am asking you the branch currents, right? As you know, branch currents is equals to what? Branch voltage by branch resistance. when I am disconnecting one of the resistor, neither the branch resistance is changing nor the branch voltage is also changing because it is a constant voltage source. Then obviously, why will the currents through 3 resistors will change? So, what is the answer? 25, 25 and 25. Now, let me make one small modification in this question. Instead of a constant voltage source, imagine I am connecting a constant current source of how much, say 100 amperes. R and this is 25, okay. In this case, can you tell me now one of the resistor gets disconnected, then what will be the current through remaining 3 resistors? Here the currents are going to be 100 by 3, 100 by 3 and 100 by 3. Why? Because in the previous case it was a constant voltage source, name itself it says voltage is constant, current could be any value that is decided by the branches. But here it is constant current source, that is current is constant, voltage could be any value. So, as per KCL, definitely no matter whatever happens, the current coming out of this source is what? 100 amperes. If you provide 4 branches, 4 parts, 3 branches, 3 parts, 2 branches, 2 parts, 1 branch, 1 part. So, here what is the current? 100 by 3, 100 by 3 and 100 by 3. So, see the same question, if I change a little bit of circuit elements, then the whole concept is going to change. Understood? So, here there is nothing new to learn, everything is just parallel branches, Ohm's law, voltage across parallel branches remain same. So, all the basics, okay. So, this is one sort of a question which will check your basic understanding of your voltage current relations, alright.